Pause for a second. Look at your hand. That skin, that bone, that flesh. It's not just yours. It's a battlefield, a war zone that started millions of years ago. And the enemy? One. 5 million years ago, a virus infected your ancestors. It didn't just make them sick. It didn't just kill them. It did something far more terrifying. It stayed. It hijacked their DNA. It rewrote their code. And right now, at this very second, that ancient invader is holding your cells together, screaming at your biology to build a human being. Welcome back to Mind Bullets. Today, we are ripping open the medical textbooks to reveal a truth that will shatter your sense of self. We are taught that viruses are the enemy, polio, COVID, Ebola, enemies to be conquered. So it shakes us to the core when we realize that up to 9% of the entire human genome is made of these ancient viral remnants. 9% of your identity is the ghost of an infection. The junk lie. For decades, scientists arrogantly called this 9% junk DNA, genetic waste, the broken, useless debris left over from millions of years of messy evolution. It was the attic of our biology. Cobwebs, old furniture, and dust. But here is the first psychological bullet. Evolution doesn't do junk. In biology, if you keep something for 5 million years, it's because you need it. You just haven't figured out why yet. Enter the Firestarter, a specific piece of viral code called LTR5HS. In 2025, researchers at Stanford used cutting-edge 3D stem cell models to watch human embryos form. They wanted to see what happened when they flipped the switch on this ancient virus. When LTR5HS was active, the cells multiplied, organized, and built the beautiful, complex blueprint for a human life. Then, they turned it off. The embryo turned into a disorganized clump, a tumorous mess. It literally couldn't figure out how to be a human. It just died. The virus wasn't just along for the ride. It was the ignition key, the switch that says, go. Without it, you would not exist. The story of your life begins with a parasitic invasion that saved your species from extinction. Here is where the psychology gets truly terrifying. This gene, LTR5HS, did not appear in monkeys. It did not appear in great apes. It appeared specifically in us, right after our lineage split from chimpanzees about 5 to 6 million years ago. At the exact moment our ancestors stood up for the first time, a virus was rewriting their reproductive code. Think about the timing. The moment we started walking, something else started thinking inside us. But it gets deeper. This viral DNA doesn't just help us start life. It shapes how our brains form. These endogenous retroviruses help regulate the immune system, but they also act as master switches for gene regulation. They tell the brain how to fold, how to form neural pathways, and even how to socialize. Some scientists argue that our capacity for complex language, our tribal instincts, and even our fear of outsiders, the very things we explored in our Stranger Danger video, might be influenced by these ancient viral gatekeepers. Are we the masters of our own minds? Or are we the puppets of 9% viral machinery that outsmarted extinction? Let's go one level deeper, into the dark. One of the most crucial pieces of this viral DNA is responsible for the placenta. Mammals are unique because we grow our young inside us. But there's a problem. The mother's immune system is designed to attack foreign tissue. A baby is essentially a foreign body. So how does the mother's body stop itself from rejecting the baby? You guessed it, a virus. Ancient viruses gave us a protein called syncytin. This viral protein literally fuses cells together to form the placental wall, acting as a biological shield that prevents the mother's immune system from attacking the growing child. The virus turned off the mother's aggression. It created peace between two biological enemies. So when we ask what makes us human, the answer is surprisingly unromantic. It's a viral protein that allowed us to birth our young safely, growing those massive brains we are so proud of. So let's bring this home to you. If 9% of your DNA isn't technically human, what does that make you? Are you the host, or are you the vessel? We have spent our entire existence fearing the other, fearing the outsider, fearing the invader. We have evolved massive brains to detect threats, to spot the stranger in the tribe. But the ultimate other, the ultimate stranger danger, is inside you. It's been sitting in your cells since before you were a spark in your mother's eye. It survived extinction events. It survived the ice ages. And it built the very brain you are using right now to watch this video. We think we are the masters of our fate, the drivers of our destiny. But we are just the latest model of a 5 million-year-old car being driven by a virus that learned how to build cities, write poetry, and wage war. This is the hidden history of you. It's dark, it's terrifying, and it's the most beautiful story of cooperation ever told. An invasion that turned into a partnership, a parasite that became a savior. If you want to uncover more hidden truths about your biology, if you want to find out what else is lurking in the shadows of human evolution, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because the next time you look in the mirror, just remember, you're not just looking at you. You're looking at a survivor, a virus that won, and 1,000,000 years of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Thanks for watching. See you in the next life, or the next infection.